In my last video, I showed you the differences between this table and this table. So I'm going to have a look at the blue table. I did go over this table last video, so make sure you go back and watch that one if you want a quick recap of that one. But however, in this video, I'm going to show you how to work out the estimated mean from this table. Okay, so yeah, let's do this. Let's get a smaller pen. So we're first going to start off by figuring out the midpoint. So we're going to work out the midpoint of the 0 to 10, which is going to be 5. Okay, so the reason to why we do this is because we've been told, let's just highlight this, we've been told that 6 lengths are between 0 and 10. Now, of these 6 lengths, we don't know if all 6 of them are 0. We don't know if all 6 of them are 10. So we're going to take an average and we're just going to say we think it's going to be roughly halfway, so we're going to call that 5. Okay, let's do the same logic. So between 10 and 20, midpoint is going to be 15. Midpoint of 20 to 30 is 25. I'm going to see a pattern here, so 35, and that must be 45. Okay, underneath this one, I'd like to put a cross. Then we know this is the F column. I'm going to call this the X column. I'm going to call this the FX column. Okay, so what we do here then is for the FX column, I'm going to be multiplying the frequency now by the midpoint. Okay, so the reason to why we do this is because I'm trying to figure out what's an estimated total per the class width. All right, so we've got 6 times by 5 there, so we get 30. 7 times by 15, that's going to give us 105. We've got 5 times by 25, which is 125. Okay, let's put those in. 1 times by 35 is 35, and then this gives us 45. Right, so I want you to do the total of this column here, the frequency total. So we've got 6 plus 7 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1, and that's going to give us 20. So the total of the frequency is 20. Now let's do the total of fx. Okay, so I've got 30 plus 105 plus 125 plus 35 plus 45, and that's going to give us 340. So the formula for the estimated mean, okay, is going to be roughly, so approximately, this is the formula. So we've got sigma fx, which is this column here, so sigma fx, all divided by, should be an f there, sigma f. So sigma is just a fancy way of saying, it's just a fancy Greek term, mathematical term of saying you just do the sum, it's the total. Okay, so let's plug these values in then. So sigma fx is 340. So we divide that by the 20 there, stick that straight in the calculator, and that's going to give us 17. So we're saying the estimated mean is roughly 17. Okay, so make sure you like and follow for more maths content.